welcome to your day. How are you? Hope you are doing well, fam and friends. But before we start our video, let me just say thank you. Thank you for being there, watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate it. And I cannot thank God enough for you. In today's video, we are going to cook pork chop. And here are our ingredients. 500 grams boneless pork chop, salt, ground black pepper, pork rub, lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Here are the ingredients. Cooking preparation: pot pork chop with paper towels to dry it. Sprinkle salt all over the pork chops. Then add black pepper. Then pork rub. Then add lemon pepper for more taste. Now it's ready to cook. Cooking instructions: melt batter in pan. Add olive oil over medium-high heat. Fry seasoned pork chop. Flip to cook the other side of pork chop. And turn off the stove or burner. That's it. That's how I cook pork chop here. How about you? Please comment down below, how do you cook pork chop? So I will learn also. Okay? Once again, fam and friends, thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video. And if you enjoy it, please like and share to your family and friends. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for you to get notified for our upcoming videos. Once again, thank you very much. See you in our next video. God bless you. May the Lord bless you wherever you are. Bye-bye.